Guys, this is my Honda Odyssey, 365,000 miles. We need to change the serpentine belt. Let's see if we can help you out. So, let's see. I could have swore I just changed this, and I wanted to get some brake cleaner, and I forgot to get the brake cleaner. So let's see if we can do this really quick. First thing I want to do is just lift up this power steering reservoir. I got this serpentine belt remover, 15 millimeter. We're looking to hook the top of the tensioner. If you can get onto that top tensioner, that's what we're looking to hook, if it's possible. Okay, no. Just need to get on this top tensioner right there. Okay, I'm on the top tensioner, and I'm just going to push toward the van and remove it from the top power steering pump and go back. God, these mosquitoes are already out, already trying to bite me. Okay, and then we're just going to jimmy jam it out. Okay, and then we got the new power steering. I tell you guys, this looks brand freaking new. I don't know why it's acting this way. So it's I feel like this mosquito is trying to have me for dinner tonight, and I'm not having it. If I find you, I'm gonna kill you. So what I want to do, I want to okay, let's go ahead and remove this baby right here, and take this belt, and I'm gonna hold it and hold it up, and we're gonna try to jimmy jam. Let's go from the back up. Can't go from the back. Let's try to slip our hand around and get this belt around the crankshaft. Let's try to get it around the crankshaft. And I think that compressor is down there. First thing you want to do is get this belt around the crankshaft and the compressor and hold it. Hold it like this. Kind of look down, verify you're on the compressor, and try to get it on that crankshaft back there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. Okay. I should have brought a light. Try to verify I'm on that crankshaft down there. Just want to verify we're on that crankshaft. It would have helped if I would have brought my light. Okay. Alright, so once we're on the crankshaft and the compressor, you just want to hold this belt. I think then from the alternator, you want to go to the lower pulley, go under the lower pulley and come on top of the lower pulley and go to your alternator, right? And then on the back, I think you want to come around this upper pulley, right? While you're still holding this belt up, okay? And then you want to look down in there and you want to verify that you're on that crankshaft and you're on that alternator. So by holding it, keep tension on this belt, guys. Keep tension on the belt. You want to verify, and then, guys, take your top out. You see, I'm always holding on to it. Put it on top of this power steering, right? And try to grab onto that bolt. Come in front of the power steering hose, guys, right? And push it forward and slide that belt on, guys. And I think that's it. And then you just want to verify that the belt is on. You're going to have to feel with your hands. If you've got the light with me, just try to stick your hand down there and verify. And I think, yeah, you just got to kind of look. Kind of eyeball it. Look in the back. It seems like we're on. And then we're just going to hit that engine really quick. I just want to rotate that engine really quick. So I'm going to turn it on real quick, turn it off, check to make sure the belt is still there, and then we're done. And then we're good. And that's all you gotta do, guys.